Hey again, this is Andy from potatoesandpearls.com, and in this video I am going to show you how I make chicken cordon bleu in the Instant Pot. It's a really simple recipe, it's really easy to throw together. It's going to take a few ingredients. I'm going to show you how to do it all right after this. The first thing that we are going to do is put breadcrumbs in kind of a shallow, wide dish. These are pre-seasoned breadcrumbs, so they already have like Italian seasoning and a little bit of salt already mixed into it. And to those Italian seasoned breadcrumbs, I like to add in a little bit of fried onions, those French's fried onions. I kind of like to crumble them up a little bit or smash them up a little bit. You don't have to do this. This isn't like a necessary tip, but I do like the flavor of the French's fried onions to it, so it adds a little something extra for me. I don't normally measure out the breadcrumbs. There's probably maybe like a half a cup in here, just because I kind of put the breadcrumbs in as I go, and then I add more if I need to, if I still have more pieces of chicken that I need to cover. I have already done 2 of the chicken rolls. I'm going to show you here how I do this. I'm going to end up making 4 pieces. I normally work in smaller portions just because of my Instant Pot, but also it's just me, so I don't need giant pieces of chicken. I normally eat this, like reheat it for lunch or quick dinner. I make it in the beginning of the week. I just put 1 piece of ham inside of there and 1 piece of cheese that I pulled into a triangle shape because my chicken pieces are thin and like they're very thin. If you're using thicker chicken, I would recommend doubling up your ham, doubling up your cheese. And so I have added oil and a little bit of salt to this, and so I'm just rubbing in the oil and salt onto the outside of the chicken. And I like to put my chicken into the breadcrumbs before I put it into the Instant Pot. I have seen where people put the breadcrumbs on afterwards. I like to put them on top before, and they just stick to the oil, and then I'll go ahead and put it on a toothpick and stick it in the Instant Pot. I just want to bring attention to the toothpicks have been dipped in water. I just like to be safe. I don't want anything to catch on fire. There's also a cup of water in the bottom of the Instant Pot, and I have the little stand that comes with the Instant Pot. I have that wrapped in aluminum foil so there's nothing like dripping down. It's giving a better hold to the chicken. It's going to be on high pressure for 8 minutes and a 5-minute natural release, and then go ahead and do a manual release, and you end up with beautiful pieces of chicken looking like this. The cheese is melted, the ham is cooked in there. Some of my cheese melted out one of the pieces. And we're done. This was a really quick video that I wanted to throw together. I feel like with things like these, people are like, oh, I can't make that in the Instant Pot, and you definitely can make it in the Instant Pot really quick. I made a quick white gravy to go on top just because I love gravy and chicken. I've made gravy in other videos. I'll try to either link it above or link it below. I really hope that this was helpful and quick, and this is just my chicken paired with some cream spinach that I had made just to kind of give you an idea. You can have it with a vegetable side. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe. I post here pretty often food videos, travel videos, a lot of food videos. So if you're into that type of thing, don't forget to check out some more of my videos. Bye!